Hey everyone, welcome back to Explain Like I'm 10. Have you ever looked at something and sworn it was moving, only to realize it was just a picture? Or seen two lines that look different length, but when you measure them, they're exactly the same? Your eyes aren't playing tricks on you. Well, they are, but it's your brain that's doing most of the magic here. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of optical illusions and showing you how your super smart brain sometimes takes shortcuts and fools itself. It's like your own personal magic show happening inside your head. So, how do optical illusions work? It all starts with how your brain tries to understand the world. When light hits your eyes send messages to your brain, but your brain doesn't just see exactly what's there, like a super accurate camera, for example. Your brain is a super fast detective. It gets clues from your eyes and then it guesses what it's seeing based on past experiences, patterns, and what it expects. Think of it like this: if you see a furry, four legged animal that says meow, your brain quickly guesses it's a cat, even if you only saw its tail. Most of the time, this guessing is super helpful and makes us understand things quickly. But sometimes, when artists create special pictures, they give your brain confusing clues, leading it to guess wrong. That's an optical illusion. Types of brainy tricks. Let's look at some cool examples of how your brain gets tricked. Number one, the what's hidden illusion. Have you ever seen a picture that looks like two different things at once? Like that famous one that can be an old woman or a young lady? Here, your brain gets enough clues to see both pictures, but it can only focus on one at a time. It's like your brain is flipping a switch between two ideas. The clues are vague, they are unclear. So your brain tries to make sense of the same lines in two different ways. Number two, the it's moving illusion. Sometimes you see a static picture and parts of it seem to shimmer or move, even though they're perfectly still. This trick often happens because of how your brain handles contrast and patterns. When bright and dark colors are next to each other in a specific repeating pattern, your brain's motion detectors get confused. They think something is moving because of the way the light and dark parts interact when you glance at them, even though nothing is actually moving on the page. Number three, the it's bigger illusion. You have probably seen picture where two lines are the same length, but one looks much longer than the other because of errors or surrounding lines. This is super common. Your brain tries to use context and perspective. It sees the other lines or errors around the main lines and tries to figure out if the line is closer or further away, or angled differently, even if the lines are the same length on the page. Your brain's depth perception rules kick in and make them appear different. It's trying to correct for a 3D world in a 2D picture. Why does your brain do this? So, why does your brain play these tricks? It's not trying to be mean, it's actually trying to be super efficient. Your brain processes tons of information every second. To keep up, it takes shortcuts. It uses rules it has learned from experience, fills in missing pieces, and makes quick guesses. Optical illusions just happen to be those rare times when those helpful shortcuts lead to a surprising and often funny mistake. It shows us just how active our brains are when we see the world. Your brain's amazing powers. Optical illusions are a fantastic way to understand how truly amazing and complex your brain is. It's not just a passive receiver, it's an active translator constantly trying to make sense of the world, even if it sometimes gets it a little bit wrong. It's a reminder that what we think we see isn't always the full story. That's it for today. What other mysteries of the mind or world do you want me to explain simply? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more clear explanations of big ideas. See you next time!